Good morning, class. So, our today's topic is sales promotion. So, first of all, we will discuss what is the meaning of sales promotion. So, beta, sales promotion refer to short-term use of incentives or other promotional activities that stimulates the customer to buy the product. Okay, what is the meaning of sales promotion? It is activity which stimulate the customer to buy the product. Means वो customer को convince कर दिए. It is convincing the customer to buy the product. Okay. Sales promotion techniques are very useful because they bring, first is short and immediate effect on sale. If your sales promotion technique is effective, then in short term your sale will increase. Okay. Now we will discuss about the different types of techniques later in this video. Okay. Then stock clearance is possible with the sales promotion. If your sales promotion is proper, in that case you will be able to clear the stock. Then sales promotion techniques induce customer as well as distribution channel. And sales promotion technique helps to win over the competitor. If you want to increase your sale or if you want to defeat your competitor, in that case sales promotion is very helpful. Okay, beta? Now we are going to discuss about some sales promotional techniques. Okay. What are the sales promotion techniques through which or by which we can increase our sale? So beta, the very first sales promotion technique is rebate. What is the rebate? So it refers to the selling product at a special price which is less than the original price for a limited period of time. This offer is given to clear off the stock or excessive inventory. For example, Coke announced 2-liter bottle at rupees 35. Okay, so in this particular method, what we are doing, we are reducing our price. Okay, we are reducing our price from the original price. Like suppose the original price of a product was rupees 5, but the stock is in excess. In that case, to clear that stock, what we will have to do? We will have to sell the product below the cost price, below the rupees 5. So what company will do? Company will reduce the price. Now it will sell the product for rupees 3 or for rupees 4. It is known as rebate. Clear, beta? Second condition is discount. You are well familiar with the word discount. So discount is again reducing the price, but the discount is given on marked price. Okay, example is 10% discount on any particular product. So when it is promoted that you will get 10% discount on a particular product, then whatever marked price printed on this product, you will get amount 10%, you will have to give the amount which is 10% less from the marked price. Clear, beta? You are well familiar with the word discount. Then beta, third promotion technique is refunds. This refer to refund or part of price paid by the customer on presenting the proof of purchase. For example, rupees 2 of presentation of empty pack of Ruffle Lays. Okay, here we can say refund means any of the product which you are buying and you are not liking this product. In that case you can get the amount refunded, or if the quality of the product is not appropriate or desirable, in that case also you will get the refund. Okay, like Flipkart is providing 7 days refund policy. Clear beta? After that, next one is sample. So it refers to the distribution of free sample of product to the customer. These are distributed when the seller wants the customer to try the product. Generally, when a new product is launched, for example, when HUL Surf Excel launched Surf Excel, it distributed a samples as it wanted the customer to try it. Okay, beta. So when any of the new product is launched, generally the sample is distributed for the new product. So in that case, some product are distributed to the customer for free of cost. Why it is distributed or as a form of sample? So that customer can start using it. Customer उस चीज को यूज करने लगे, उसको उसका जो क्वालिटी है, that customer will be able to know that quality. For this purpose sampling is done. Okay, and the fifth technique is lucky draw. So in this draws are taken out by including the bill number and name of the customer who have purchased the goods, and lucky winner gets free car, computer, AC, TV, etc. Draw can be taken out daily, weekly or monthly. Okay beta, so here lucky draw, you are well familiar with this word. If any of the big shop is using this sales promotion technique, then sale starts increasing immediately. ठीक है, जनरली ये आपको शॉपिंग मॉल में मिलेगा, या जो बिग रिटेल आउटलेट्स होते हैं उन सारी जगहों पर आपको लकी ड्रॉ अवेलेबल होगा. Okay, so these are some sales promotional techniques. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.